In Colombia, families are waiting for justice from one of the country's darkest scandals. The false positive, as it's being called, refers to the killings of civilians by the military. The victims were then dressed up like leftist guerrilla fighters to show them off as combat kills. CCTV's Michelle Begue met with a mother who's been waiting for justice for 6 years.
Aquí estaba él disfrazado de el zorro.
Carmenza Gomez never knew that on August 23, 2008, she would see her son, Victor Fernando Gomez, for the last time. Gomez said he was leaving to find work in another region, but 2 days later, he was found dead in a morgue, declared an enemy combatant of Colombia's 50-year-old armed conflict.
La máxima.
The highest sentence for those people is 60 years, if that's what the Colombian justice system allows, because they deserve it for taking the lives of our youth who were just beginning to live.
Victor Fernando Gomez is one of the possibly thousands of civilians killed by Colombia's military between 2002 and 2008. There are more than 3,000 cases investigated by civilian prosecutors. According to the lawyers of the victims, the cases are marked by alarming similarities.
It starts with the recruitment of these young men, an illegal recruitment with false promises of work, and they're transported to another municipality, and they're called in that region and reported as unidentified, killed in combat.
Those allegedly responsible for Victor Gomez's death are being prosecuted in a civilian court. A total of 21 military personnel are accused of being responsible for the disappearance of 5 men, including Gomez. Some say these killings arose because of the pressure Colombian soldiers felt to show positive results. But defense lawyers for the military officers deny this.
Lo que ocurre es que se está satanizando el tema.
What is happening is that people are satanizing this topic. That is a problem, because the truth is the military is just doing its job.
This November 14th, the mothers of the 5 civilians killed saw justice elude them once again, as the presiding judge scheduled the defense's closing arguments for March and April of 2015, citing a full agenda for the rest of the year. For Carmenza Gomez, closure seems impossible as the trial drags on.
It's unfair that those military officials who murdered our children are asking for more time so they can spend another holiday outside of prison. We have to spend another holiday without our sons. This is not just.
Human Rights Watch has denounced Colombian legislation that may transfer these cases of military personnel accused of extrajudicial killings to the military justice system. They say the move may impede justice for these cases. Michelle Begue, CCTV, Colombia.